Hello and welcome to Fortress, Alaska. I'm your host Dave, and today we're going to be cooking in a Dutch oven on a Breeo fire pit, but not like this. Right now I'm making oven fluff pancake using the Dutch oven as an oven, hence coals on top and bottom to heat the thing all the way around. So let's get to cooking with that Breeo fire pit. So cooking on a Breeo fire pit, it's got a nice post for hanging things. We got a nice heavy cast iron Dutch oven there. I have bacon in there now starting, and I'll be cooking barbecue chicken with potatoes and onions. As the fire pit heats up, the smoke gets less and less, but it is far better than a standard fire pit. And the mere fact that I'm able to do it this way, and I can cook outside and not have to heat up the inside of anything. And it's kind of fun to cook on a big open fire with a big cast iron Dutch oven. So, can't really hurt cast iron. Okay, as you can see, we have the bacon cooking. I'm going to add potatoes and onions and chicken and barbecue sauce and just let it cook. Now, while the Breeo fire pit isn't totally smokeless, it is far better than a standard fire pit. And people say that it doesn't radiate heat. Sure enough, radiates heat for me. So, here we got to add the other stuff now. Okay, so I've added the potatoes and onion, and that'll start cooking in there real good. Hang on, I get the chicken and the barbecue sauce. Okay, so now I have the chicken in and an entire bottle of barbecue sauce. Just use whatever your favorite type of barbecue sauce is. And now I'm just gonna put the Dutch oven lid on and let it cook. Okay, now I have the lid back on. Dutch oven kind of bakes as it cooks. That's why it's called an oven. I usually do this with hot coals. This is the first time I've tried this with the Breeo fire pit. As you can see, it's got a pretty stout rod and hanger. I mean, that cast iron Dutch oven is heavy, so it's got no problems holding it. And shouldn't take but a half hour to cook. Okay, it's been cooking for 10 minutes. As you can see, the barbecue sauce is bubbling, the chicken is cooking. It's looking wonderful. Got a nice fire going underneath it. Should have dinner here in another 15 minutes. Okay, it's been a half hour. Everything's all cooked. And so that's dinner out on camping. Should be a nice dinner. Okay, finished cooking, and I put the grilling plate on, or the grill, whatever you want to call it. So you can cook burgers, sausage, hot dogs, hamburgers, steaks, whatever you want up there. And so you can do a lot of cooking on the Breeo. It is a pretty fire. So all the cooking's done, the cleaning's done. Now I just got some peaceful time by myself by the fire pit. So a Breeo fire pit is really nice. They're not cheap. Fortunately, this was a gift to me. The people at Breeo have no clue who I am other than they shipped it to my address. So that's about it. So it's not paid advertising. This is my Breeo, and I selected it, but it was a gift. Anyways, once again, thank you for watching Fortress, Alaska. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, other places, all the usual social media places. Remembering once again that YouTube is my YouTube channel, slightly different from my other channels. My other channels are just mostly Alaska stuff. So, as always, enjoy and have a good day and get out shooting.